Hey folks, over the past few months, the technology sector has been going crazy. There's a premium for stay-at-home stocks right now. But over the past few days, the semiconductors and the tech stocks that have been rising really rapidly over the last several months have been softening up. But I want to give you a few names, a few hot semiconductor stocks that are under the radar right now that you might have not been looking at. I know everybody's looking at Qualcomm, AMD, Intel, but there are other ones, and they may be the hidden gems that you're looking for. So today I want to talk about processing faster profits with hot semiconductor stocks. Now, one of the hottest sectors for the first half of 2020 was undoubtedly the chip sector, right? The PHLX Semiconductor Index is up about, 14.5%, 15% year to date. And many analysts are extremely bullish on semiconductors for the second part of the year. For example, take Bank of America. It's bullish on chip stocks for the second half of 2020. And Bank of America is big on chip stocks. The Wall Street firm says a group of semiconductor names have secular tailwinds, including artificial intelligence, 5G, cloud, and gaming, the biggest stay-at-home sectors or subsectors, if you will. Plus, the chip stocks have strong balance sheet and solid free cash flow generation. Bank of America expects the group, which already has strong year-to-date performance, to continue its run-up. Now, keep in mind, right now there's a major premium on stay-at-home stocks, since without chips, we wouldn't be able to use our favorite tech devices. And with COVID-19 increasing its pace once again, according to the newspapers this weekend, we'll see another major rally from the chip sector before the year is over. It's a very strong possibility, folks. Now, when it comes to chip stocks, there's a few that come to everyone's mind right away. NVIDIA, which is now one of the biggest stocks in the NASDAQ. It's bigger than Netflix. How about Qualcomm? How about Intel? And what about AMD? But there's a few chip stocks that haven't seen major limelight with institutional investors, and those are the ones I want to bring to your attention today. The first stock on my radar is Lattice Semiconductor, ticker symbol LSCC. The Lattice Semiconductor Corporation designs, develops, and markets high-performance programmable logic devices and related development system software. Now, programmable logic devices are standard semiconductor components that can be configured by the end customer as specific logic functions, enabling shorter design cycles, times, and reduces development costs. Lattice, so it's not dependent on a single end market. The company offers investors dual avenues for growth via data centers and 5G base stations. And data center and 5G base stations, folks, that's where the growth is right now, all right? Data centers and 5G. As a matter of fact, REITs that do data centers are off the charts right now. Now, 5-year return for this company is 502%. Not bad, right? 5-year earnings growth, 55.17%. Previous growth versus previous quarter versus this quarter a year ago, up 25%. That's a quarter from a year ago in comparison to this quarter's EPS, earnings per share. The stock has 5 strong buy recommendations and is currently making all-time highs and outperforming the majority of semiconductor stocks from my proprietary CSI filter at this time, which I use daily. The second chip stock on my radar is Monolithic Power Systems, ticker symbol MPWR. Monolithic makes chips to use to power communication networks, which is a hotspot in the chip arena right now. But the company also has exposure to the automotive, computer, consumer, and industrial markets. Now, one of the biggest factors for Monolithic Power Systems is their wide portfolio of chips. They don't just focus on one chip, they focus on many chips, which is specifically designed to help functionality in some of the best growing segments of tech, including artificial intelligence, big right now, right? How about machine learning? Huge. How about robotics? That's the future. I just gave you the 3 biggest sectors for the future, 3 biggest sectors for long-term growth. The company has 4 positive quarters of earning estimates, 7 strong buy recommendations, 5-year return of 374%, 5-year revenue growth of 122%. How about 5-year earnings growth of 175%? I love this stock. The stock is making new highs and appears to be a hidden gem in the chip sector, since so much of what they're working on will benefit the future production and productivity in tech development. And I hope that helps. Folks, I have just the thing for today's market. I developed a system that works during and after huge market crashes, protecting you on the way down and delivering stocks primed to explode higher during the rebound phase. And today, I've got a brand new stock pick that could earn you $7,386 or more in just 10 trading sessions. You don't want to miss out on this next trade. I've got a feeling it's going to be a good one. Click on the button below or the button at the end of this video to get all the details. Do it now.